Good morning, Miss. In this video, I would like to present my grammar project about conditional sentence and direct speech versus reporter speech. In this presentation, I will explain the definition, patterns, functions, and example of both topics. The first topic is conditional sentence: 0, first, second, and third. Next, definition. Conditional sentences are complex sentences that express a condition and its possible that express a condition and its possible result or consequence. They consist of two parts: if clause, the condition, and the main clause, the result. Function used to state facts, possibilities, hypothetical situations, or past events that did not happen. Next, grammatical patterns. 0 type: if plus simple present, usage, general truths or scientific facts. First type: if plus simple present, simple future like will, can, or may, usage, realistic possibilities in the future. Second, if plus simple past model like would, could, or might, usage, unreal situations in the present or imaginary ideas. Third type: if plus past perfect model like would have or could have, usage, past situations that did not happen, regrets or criticism. Next, 0 conditional. Explanation: used for facts, general truth, or things that always happen when a condition is met, but are in present tense. Jadi, 0 conditional itu kalimat pengandaian untuk fakta atau kebenaran umum yang selalu benar. Example: if you mix blue and yellow, you get green. Analysis structure: if plus present simple, The meaning is express a scientific fact that is always true. Next, first conditional. Explanation: used for situations that are likely or possible to happen in the future if the condition is fulfilled. Jadi, first conditional itu kalimat pengandaian untuk hal yang mungkin terjadi di masa depan dan nyata kemungkinannya. Example: if I study hard for the exam, I will get a good grade. Analysis structure: if plus subject plus verb 1, subject plus will plus verb 1. The meaning is states a realistic prediction or expectation based on current actions. Next, second conditional. Explanation: used for imaginary or unreal situation in the present or things that are unlikely to happen. Jadi, second conditional itu kalimat pengandaian untuk hal yang tidak nyata, mustahil, atau hanya angan-angan di masa sekarang ataupun di masa depan. Example: if I had enough money, I would buy a new laptop. Analysis structure: if plus subject plus verb 2, subject plus would plus verb 1. The meaning is, in reality, I do not have enough money now, so buying a laptop is not possible at this moment. Next, third conditional. Explanation: used to talk about past events that did not occur and the results also did not happen, often used for regrets or reflections. Jadi, third conditional itu kalimat pengandaian untuk hal yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu. Example: if I had known about the meeting, I would have come on time. Analysis structure: if plus subject plus had plus verb 3, subject plus would have plus verb 3. The meaning is, in reality, I did not know about the meeting, so I arrived late. And on the last slide, there are conclusion and reference. Then move on to the second topic is direct speech versus reporter speech. Next. Definition. Direct speech reports exactly what someone said and clause in quotation marks. Reporter speech retells what someone said without using their exact word with necessary grammatical adjustments. Function used to convey statement, questions, or message from other people in conversations, new reports, stories, or formal documents. Next, key difference. Format. Expect. Use quotation mark. Reporter speech. No quotation marks often introduced by that. Tenses remains unchanged. Reporter speechnya usually shift one step back into their past or back shift. Pronouns matches the speaker. Reporter speechnya adjust to fit the reporter's perspective. Time or place. Direct speech match the moments of speaking. Reporter speechnya adjust to fit the time and place of reporting. Next, tense change. Direct speech simple present, present continuous, simple past, present perfect, will, can, and may. Reporter speech simple past, past continuous, past perfect, would, could, or, and the last might. Next, change in other expression. Besides tenses, these words also change. Example, now, then, today, that day, yesterday, the day before, tomorrow, the next day or the following day, here, there, this, that. Next, example and analysis. Direct speech. I am preparing for the final project, said Rina. Reporter speech. Rina said that she was preparing for the final project. Analysis. Tense present continuous, past continuous. Pronoun I to she. A that conjunction that to connect clauses. Direct speech. I will submit the assignment tomorrow, said Budi. Reporter speech. Budi said that he would submit the assignment the next day. Analysis. Modal verb. Will to would. Pronoun I to he. And last time expressions tomorrow to the next day. Next. Example from mass media. Direct speech in news. We are working hard to improve public transportation in the city, said the mayor. Source information, article title, city government announced new transport plan. Media, the Jakarta Post, date May 5, 2026. Next, analysis of media example. Convert to reporter speech. The mayor said that they were working hard to improve public transportation in the city. Analysis. Tense. Present continuous, past continuous. Pronoun we today. The core meaning remains the same, but adapted to fit the report format. Next, and the last slide, any reference and conclusion. And then move on to the second project is grammar error analysis. Next, the first is passive voice. Jadi di original paragraph ada beberapa grammar yang salah yang udah ditandain merah, dan di corrected paragraph itu pembenaran dari grammar yang salah yang ditandain merah juga. Explanation. The error in this paragraph mostly happened because the passive voice structure was incorrect. Passive voice usually use passive voice be plus past participle. Example, is introduced menjadi was introduced. Must finished menjadi must be finished. Were conduct menjadi were conducted. Next, subjunctive with. Di sini juga sama, di original paragrafnya ada beberapa yang error dan ada pembenarannya juga di corrected paragraph. Explanation: in with sentence, English grammar usually use past form to express situations that are not real or different from reality. Example: wish they have menjadi wish they had. Wish she can menjadi wish she could. And the last, wish lecturers will give menjadi wish lecturer would give. Next, conditional sentence. Explanation: conditional sentence have different patterns depending on the situation. Example: will pass menjadi will pass. If they have more money menjadi if they had more money. If people will work hard menjadi if people work hard. Next, direct speech versus reporter speech. Reporter speech change the tense and the time expressions from the original sentence. Explanations: for examples, tomorrow to the next day, are working to were working, can ask to could ask. And the last slide, any conclusion and reference? That's all my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.